Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to MAZ Math Academy. In today's lesson, we will learn about the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. So factorizing is a process of making factor. So in this, we solve a given quadratic equation by using the factorizing technique. So here, let's suppose we first write a standard form of a quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Now here, the coefficient of x square is a, the coefficient of x is b, and the coefficient of x to the power 0. It means that the constant term is c. So here in this method, the first step we need to multiply AC. So the product of AC. Now, in this method, we find two terms in such a way that its sum equals to B, the coefficient of X. So we need to find two numbers. Let's say N1 and N2, whose sum is B, the coefficient of X, and whose product is A times C. So we need to find two numbers whose sum is B and whose product is AC. Now, remember, we need to split the middle term into these two factors or number, like n1x plus n2x. And then we write bx as a n1x plus n2x, and after expansion we group them and then we look for the common terms. So let's suppose we take a simple example. Let's suppose we have an equation x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals 0. Now here we have a equals 1, b equals 5, and c equals 4. Now the first step, we need to find the product of AC, which is 4 times 1 equals 4. So find the product of, find two numbers whose product is 4. So whose product is 4. So we need to find two numbers whose product is 4 and whose sum is the coefficient of B 5. So the only possibility is 4 and 1. So 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So we need to write the equation like 1x plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. Now we just split the middle term bx into 2. It is 1x and 4x. Now we look for the common terms. So we take common from the first two and from the last two. So in the first two terms, we have x common, so x plus 1, and the last two term we have plus 4 common, so we get x plus 1 equals 0. So here we have x into x plus 1 and 4 into x plus 1 equals 0. Now we have x plus 1 factor common, so we take x plus 1 common. So the remaining is x plus 4 equals 0. Now remember, when the product of two factors or number is 0, so when we say that a times b equals 0, so at least one of them is 0. It's a zero product property. So this means that either a x plus 1 equals 0 or x plus 4 equals 0. So from here we get x equals minus 1 and x equals minus 4. So in this way, we find the solution of the quadratic equation by using the factorization method. So the solution set is -1, and -4. So this is how we can solve a quadratic equation by factorizing them. Thank you.